So welcome back to this series of videos on the new PMP examination. Mr. Pradhan, welcome to these series of discussions.
Yes, thank you, Will.
Thank you so much for all the insights that you have been giving us earlier also in the earlier videos. And today we are going to talk about chapter 3. If you can tell us a little bit about what is this chapter about?
Okay, in first chapter, we discussed about building the powerful team. In
Right.
the second chapter, we discussed about various planning processes. Okay,
Right.
and now we are talking about this third chapter about the actually executing the project. Okay, so we are
Right.
coming to the while doing so, in this curriculum, AMI has defined total 8 elements to be considered. So first element is about assessing and managing the risk. Okay, so risk is the very important part of any project. So assessing and managing it is a part of this is the first element. Second is about executing project to deliver business value. Very important that value is delivering the business value. It's not just executing, just not a compliance part of the procedure, but giving the desired value. So that is number 2. Number 3 is about managing the communication, the most important element of any project, managing the communication between various stakeholders, and then bringing the clarity, bringing the visibility of the project, which is the most important, is a part of the third chapter. Fourth chapter is about engaging the stakeholders, because every stakeholder has a different expectations from the project. Okay, so identifying the stakeholders, identifying their need, and then working towards fulfilling those needs is a part of the this one, which
Right.
is the fourth element. Then fifth element about creating the project artifacts. Again, a very important part of the project. Then sixth is about managing the project changes. As you know, any project without the change, there is no project. 99.9% of the project in the world, maybe 100% of the projects always have some project changes. So managing those changes effectively, again, is very important for controlling the project timeline and budget. So that is about sixth element. Seventh element is about managing the project issues. Again, issues and risks are different. Issues means something which is happening on currently any team is facing lots of issues in the project. So managing the project is a seventh element. And in eighth is about ensuring knowledge transfer to project continuity, which is typically earlier we used to call it a lesson learned, and all this is a part of that. So whatever is the knowledge you have to transfer, so that next time we make a lesser mistakes and we can improve the project performance. That is the overall objective. So you can see together is a part of the executing the work, which is a chapter, and I think it's very beautifully designed, and this is more practical approach towards any project. I'm very happy with that.
Okay.
Rasmi would like to know your views also.
Yeah, so it sounds great. It is similar to the process group execution that we have in the earlier PMP, and PMI has always given a lot of importance to this execution part, because this is where you actually put your plan into action. So this is actually doing what you have planned. So it's a very an interesting area to consider. And as you very rightly said, that this is where you will also realize whether your plan is working or not, or you will need to adapt or not. So in today's world of agility and the very volatile business environments, I think this definitely needs to be given due importance, and it has been given due importance by PMI.
Yes, perfect. You're right. Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So thank you so much, Mr. Pradhan, for telling us his insights about chapter 3. In the next video, what are we going to discuss?
Next chapter, again, it's a fourth chapter, but there's a secret. Let's see what is next.
Okay, sure. Okay. Thank you. See you for the next chapter discussion. Thank you.
Thank you.